Hello. See, I have someone here sitting with me. Let me show you. She's so sweet. She just loves to put her head against my chest. Huh? And she's purring. I don't know if you could hear her. Hi, Patty. Hi, little pretty kitty. Aw, you're so sweet. Anyway, you guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me today. I want to welcome my new subscribers. Thank you so much for subscribing. I hope that you continue to enjoy my videos, and if you're coming back, well, thank you so much for supporting me. So today I am gonna have a quick video on a craft that I made for Halloween. I wasn't actually thinking of making a Halloween craft this year, but I just couldn't let Halloween pass by without making a craft. So I hope that you enjoy it. I was attempting to make like a little Halloween tree, but I'm not so sure that it looks like a tree. But anyway, I think it's kind of cute, and I hope that you enjoy it. Of course, it's all Dollar Tree items. And I did make I made a wreath last year for Halloween, and I made a little craft, which I am going to show you those as well. And I'll link the videos in the description below. And yeah. Hi, Patty. Say hi. I hope you all are doing well and that you're enjoying a little bit of, well, we're getting a little bit cooler weather here in where I live. Not too cool, but you can certainly tell the difference in the afternoon and in the morning, and I'm really appreciating the cooler weather. It's nowhere cold, but it still feels a little bit cooler. So anyway, I'm going to show you the little craft that I made for Halloween. And you want to say bye, Patty? Patty, you want to say bye? Meow. Anyway, you guys, thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in my upcoming videos. I bought myself a new vacuum cleaner, and I think it's really good. I am really enjoying it. It's awesome. And I might do a review on that vacuum cleaner in case any of you are in the market for it. I bought it at Walmart. It was a great price, and it works great. So anyway, I'm going to show you the video I made on the little Halloween craft as my black and white cat gives us her rear end. Patty, I so appreciate you watching and commenting, and thank you, Karen, for emailing me. It was just so much fun to get your email and to see your craft. It came out really nice. Karen is one of my subscribers, and she was so kind to send me an email and show me the craft that she made. The green pickup truck filled with the pumpkins. She made that craft, and it came out really, really nice. So thank you for emailing me, Karen. I will also have my email in the description below in case any of you would like to send me an email. I would love to hear from you. And until my next video, mwah, I see you guys soon. Bye-bye. These playground cones come in a pack of 2. I'm only using 1. This purple felt, and I'm using this mesh tube. Is really pretty. Some spider rings, some bat rings. I'm using these spooky roses. They have eyeballs in them. Ooh, they're so spooky. I'm using these pretty ornaments in Halloween colors. A really cute witch's hat. I have also this, it's like a tree skirt in tin, and it says trick or treat. A piece of square wood. These plastic skeletons, a foam cone, and some of this other foam, floral foam. I'm using that as well, some hot glue, and let's get started. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to brush some glue all over the cone. I happen to buy this glue at the dollar store, but you can use whatever glue you have. I don't want the cone, the orange, bright orange color of the cone to show through in this project, so I'm covering it with the purple felt. Next, I'm going to hot glue the square piece of wood to the bottom of the cone. it's just the perfect size. I need to bring up the height of the cone with some Jenga blocks. So I'm going to glue some Jenga blocks to the bottom of the square piece of wood. The reason I'm doing that is because when you put the metal skirt in the bottom of the cone, it wouldn't sit right if you didn't bring the height of the cone up. When I'm done with the Jenga blocks, I'm going to get the square floral foam. I'm going to cut it into pieces and hot glue it all around the bottom of the cone. Then I'm going to get the mesh tube and I'm going to hot glue that all around the felt around the cone all the way to the top. Once I've completed putting the wire mesh all around the cone, I'm going to put the metal tree skirt over the cone, push it down, it sits perfectly well, and then I cut the the cone foam, and I'm going to give the tree a little bit more height with that, so I hot glued that to the top of the cone. Time to work with the spooky roses with the eyeballs. So I'm gonna cut those roses off of their stems, leaving just a little piece of the stem so I can insert them into the foam that I hot glued all around the bottom of the cone. These roses also have some black spiders. I'm using those as well, cutting those off and inserting them into the foam. I won't film the whole process of how I decorated this Halloween tree because it would make the video too long, but I'm just going to snip off the bottom of the spider rings and the bat rings. I'm going to snip off the bottom that goes in your finger, which they got all over my kitchen floor. But I'm going to snip those off, hot glue them to the tree. I'm going to hot glue the plastic skeletons, put the little witch's hat on the top of the cone, and then I'll show you what the tree looks like. Here's a look at how this Halloween tree turned out. I hope you noticed the little skeleton feet sticking out from the bottom of the tree skirt. The witch's hat is so cute, and the beautiful Halloween ornaments all around. It's a really cute idea for a Halloween decor without it being so ghoulish. I think it turned out rather cute. And I'm going to give you a close-up look all around the tree. Then I'm going to show you where I'm going to place it in my house. Thank you again for watching and for your support. As always, I hope to see you in my next video. If you can, leave me a comment. And if you haven't yet subscribed, please do so. I would hope for you to be part of my channel. See you in my next video. You take care, and I will see you soon. Bye.